You ready to roll it over some? See how we do on the belly? Huh? Are she ready? Are she ready? Here we go. Say, here we go. You can do it. You can do it. This baby will not roll onto her belly. No, she will not. Say she doesn't want it. And she's got a bald spot on the back of her head now. Yeah. Oh, she's got a bald spot. You can do it just fine. He's okay. He's okay. She doesn't like it. She'd rather just be bald. She gets her little legs are kicking like she can crawl, but nothing's connecting. Rebecca. Baby girl. Hey, baby girl. Hey, baby girl. Hey, baby girl. Look over here. 4 months old and we're not pushing up. No. She's got all the crawling movements down. If she gets too mad, I'll make them work. Well, you're inching along. You are inching along. She gets so mad.